Okay, I went out to the barn and I have there was two milk cans out there. It's pretty large. And this is one style. There's a different style that's out there, and I brought this one up and I rinsed it off and scrubbed it down some. And I was going to paint it and put something on it, but I really am thinking now I'm going to leave it the natural state it's in. I think what I'll do is right here in the middle is stencil something on it that would fit it, because I really don't want to change it. I want to leave it the original rusty look color. Oop, there goes the chicken. Anyways, I wanted to show it to you before I got started on it. And I'll go in on my Silhouette Studio and design something to go on it. I don't know, I might find something that's already on there or take bits and pieces, or I really don't know what I want on it yet, but something more fitting to a milk can, an old milk can, instead of painting it up and writing welcome on it, or our name or something like that. I want to leave it in its original state, and I wanted to show it to you before I did anything to it other than washing it down. Alright, that's where I'm going to start with the milk can. This is the pattern I have decided to put on the milk can. It was actually this one right here with the cow, and I just ungrouped it and removed the cow, enlarged it, and then I put, as you can see, there's only one of the flourishes and it was on the bottom. I just copy and pasted and then turned it over and put it on top. And now I'm going to send it to my cutter and cut it out so I can get it on the milk can. Okay, trying to maneuver and put a place for this to stay. I've got the, oh, that's coming up. My chair's turning. This is a heavy can. That's the best place. And it chooses to start raining, thundering, and lightning. Just have to be careful not to let the paint go under the stencil. This is the best shot I could get, guys. I can tell it's... Whoa. I might turn this off and go... It is blowing hard. I'm going to go check the weather. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. It was raining really hard, and I got out there and I forgot I had chicks on the front porch, but I had them partially covered because they're underneath the porch, but if it blew it would get them. Well, it was blowing so hard and I had to go out there and get them, and I just got drenched, but they're in now and they're safe. They were safe, they were just getting wet, which is not good. Okay, got that down on there. I'm going to have to be careful in spots, but I don't want a heavy coating because I want it to look like it's been on there for a while. So it should, I just want it on faintly. Not a heavy coat. And I don't want it going under the lines. All right, I have it all on, so I thought I'd turn the camera back on when we pull this off so we can all see what it's gonna look like. And I have dogs under my feet, of course. Okay. And this here that I use, it's just a mechanical pen that I took the lead out of. I've used it for years. Took the lead out of it and got a needle and super glued it in. And it works very well for weeding. And it was cheap. Got on my hands. And I'll probably take a little bit of fine sandpaper and kind of go over the lettering so it's just a little more faint. Some of it is pretty faint. I think it looks like it's been on there a while. That's the look I was going for. Okay. Let's see if I can get a close up from this side. Can't really tell what I'm getting. Got stuff in the way. I can't really get down to it all. Let's see, maybe I'll lift it up some. Okay. I'll get you a better look when it's down on the floor. All right, here it is finished. I did take just a sanding block from the Dollar Tree and kind of went over it a bit. And it turned out just the way I wanted it because it left the can natural. And I put something on there that might have been on there years ago. I don't know. I'll get a little bit of a close-up so you can see a lot of it's... And my dog's behind me panting, of course. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next one.